Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Commodities Update. This is where we keep technical analysis simple and easy to understand. And we will be going through natural gas, UNG, US dollar, oil, gold, and silver. So we'll be looking at their support and resistance levels and the most likely scenario price we're heading into later next week. All right, let's take a look at NatGas on the 8-hour time frame in G and on the BADJ chart. So we want to click it so we won't get any contract gaps. All right, keeping things simple, very clear here. Talked about this on Thursday. This is pretty much the last level of support bulls want to hold, and looks like they did. So they held it for now, and they played a little bit of an offense here, and unfortunately did not get over the 8-hour EMA 12 again. So we've been looking at this 8-hour EMA 12 forever, and currently it's this teal-looking line. You just have to type in your indicator, exponential moving average 12. And you can see rejection here, another rejection in there, right at that wick. And didn't even get close to it here. Another rejection here, and looks like another rejection there on Wednesday. And we have another rejection here today. So key thing for bulls for me is let's see if they can get over this Monday or Tuesday. And if they can, I want to see that EMA start to act as support on the next retracement. So it'll be something like that. So we bounce over it, and the EMA starts to curl up a little bit. I want to see it act as support and bounce off of it. Doesn't mean it's going to bounce off it on a tick. You know, we could come down a little bit and make a lower wick and then come back up. That'll be the most ideal. And we have a little bit of RS divergence here currently happening, but I don't buy off of just because there's an RSI divergence or anything like that. It means divergence just means that price is making a lower low, lower than the prior low, but RSI is making a higher high. You can see that curl up while the price is going down. RSI is going up, just the divergence. So let's see if bulls, show up here. They did play defense at this last level, so pretty much as a bull, if you got in at that triple bottom now, you probably just set your stop below it and let it play out to see if bulls actually do shape up at longer term bottom at this price. All right, UNG, similar idea. That gas can't get over 8-hour EMA 12. UNG is not going to get over 8-hour EMA 12. Rejection and another rejection. Very clear as well. And it is getting to this bottom of support as well. So let's see if that gas can bounce and get over 8-hour EMA 12 as well as UNG. All right, and if you guys want to learn more about how to keep things simple and any kind of mentorship, go to the Patreon link and let's keep going. US dollar weekly tightening range. We have been looking at this before even it starts to do its tightening range. So now big move up, big move down, big move up, big move down. This is the pivot right here. Big move up. See how the pivot is not above the pivot, this one. So that's another tightening range and another big move down. See how so far we have not broken this low yet. So every tightening range means the next move is going to be within the prior move. So now we have this range tightening up. If we do break this pivot right here, that's a bear break out of this longer term tightening range, which does make sense because our inflation data has been coming in pretty decent, and the get rate cuts, US dollar will likely drop. So it's pricing in September now that we're going to get a rate cut. All right, oil, big enough drop here. Same thing, tightening range. Big move up, big move down, big move up, big move up, and then big move down. Not big move down yet, but we do not break above the prior pivot. So the question is, can bulls play defense here, or the bears are going to take this lower and continue that tightening range? Because this is a big enough drop. Now bears have room that when we do bounce, they can form that daily downtrend. So if that downtrend occurs and we break this Wednesday's low, then the probability of this tightening range shaping up even tighter is going to increase. So that means we're going to come probably lower and test the lower range of this tightening range if we get that daily downtrend breaking this Wednesday's low. But if bulls bounce here, then that is a little bit off the table. Probability of it happening is not as much. Bulls pretty much want to break this high, and then we can break this pivot high. After that, bears break Wednesday's low, then we probably get more follow through on the downside after that daily downtrend confirming. All right, gold here. So we talked about this weekly head and shoulders, left shoulders, head, right shoulders. Currently a tiny pullback on the daily chart. So let's see if bears want to shape up this right shoulder, and they need to pull back all the way to here and break it to confirm a weekly downtrend. So if that happens, then I would likely say the top is probably temporary top is probably likely in for gold if we do confirm that head and shoulders, because a weekly downtrend is pretty significant. So let's see if that happens. But at this moment, not yet, because we barely had a red day here. So you can see it's just a tiny drop, and bulls are still looking good here. This could, for all we know, this could be just like this, where we pull back here, and then next thing you know, you make it curl up, right? Make a higher high. So bulls need to break this prior high, and this pivot resistance pretty much is their next step. Bears take it a lower, come back down to this 2289. So we're a little bit weaker, but nothing red flags, no red flags at this moment still. There's a little bit more supply here, but same thing as if gold doesn't go lower, silver will likely potentially head higher as well and test this pivot. So Monday's pretty key. See if gold and silver will move. All right, that's got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And feel free to like, share, subscribe. If you guys made it this far or learn anything. And we'll see you guys Tuesday from a commodities update. And if you guys want to look for a stock market video, I made one yesterday. I'm going to be doing that weekly. Weekly every Saturday for QQQ, S&P 500, as well as the 7 mega cap tech stocks, the Meg 7s. Yeah, every Saturday there. Take a look at the prior video. All right, I'll see you guys around.